Right, Mr. Sutherland, tell me about your car.
It's a 1.6 Mazda MX5.
Suspension, anything been done?
eBay coilovers.
Brakes?
Standard Dingbro Fellies.
New though? New.
Oh yeah, all new.
All new.
New calipers as well.
Handbrake?
Doesn't really work that well. It's doing a bit of TLC, but it's a Mazda, don't really use it.
Engine, what engine's in it?
1.6.
1.6 standard? Yeah. Anything done to it?
No.
Steering wheel?
Looks cool.
Stripped out, nothing in it, loads of weight. Cage?
Yeah. Piece of piss to fit.
Piece of piss to fit?
Yeah.
And that's about it. Anything been done lock-wise? Any lock mods?
Nothing at all. Sometimes use 15-inch tyres instead of 14-inch, and
excellent.
That's about it.
Tyre pressure?
60 psi at the back, 30 at the front.
And welded diff?
It is indeed, by yourself.
By my good self, so God knows if that'll last.
Yeah.
And anything else about her that's worth mentioning?
Not much really. It's just stripped out unintentionally, but it looks alright now.
Some harnesses, some quite nice seats.
Yeah.
Are they standard MX5s?
I think so, yeah. They've seen a lot of butts, I'd imagine, in its time. Yeah, they look alright, a bit worn, kind of retro look. Not the coolest thing about it.
There's quite a lot of retro in this car.
Yeah, everything, including yourself.
Yeah. So we're at Crail today, so we're going to have, we're out at the Oval. Suds has been out and done a few laps, so first time I've driven the car, and we're going to go and see what she's like. Right, here we go. The balls rattled out of her. Oh, and there we go. Woo! Keep it red. Penny! Clutch kicking the hell out of this thing.
I'll say it's not your car.
Oh, she's so good, like. Oh, she's front end is just, it's quite, there's not much in the front. Oh. As soon as you hit that bump there, she's just, whoop, she's, what are you calling it? She lets go. Where's reverse?
Right back.
Yeah, you need to keep the rev so high. She hates that wee bump there. don't think we need to drop them, it's just I think you need better rubber. One more then. Yeah. Wow. Oh my god. You're so on the limit.
Yeah.
And you've got to knock the shit out of the clutch. Oh. And I don't fit in here. Wow. Once you link that up, that is just gonna be so rewarding, because oh, it's not like a BMW you've got power to play with or something like that. It's just like, oh, you have to totally attack it, but you can't attack it when it's also not your car.
No, you can go all the way you want.
No, it's not. Yeah, that was brilliant fun. Absolutely brilliant. You good? Right. Right. So a bit of rain. Going onto the dry stuff there and just the front tyre. Balancing so hard. More than I could chew there. Second gear's too much. I never just do them through when it's this hot. Oh, I didn't crash here.
No.
I don't know where reverse is though.
Back there.
Oh, there she is. There you go. Oh. that was karma there. Turning up over the red flag. No, it's almost as if she likes the rain.
Yeah.
It's because you're that much slower. You've got it's so much easier to play with her. Whereas before she wants to grip up all the time and you have to just like throw it in, but on maximum attack. Whereas that it's like driving a BM, I suppose, in the dry, where you've got, or anything with a bit more power, you've got that I can drive it, I'll just use some power. In this then you have the power, then you see how sort of poised it is. Like it's just like it's really loads of feedback. A better set of front tyres on her. Yeah. And yeah, she'd be an animal. Yeah, so much fun.
It's good.
Oh dude, that was brilliant. Thank you so much for letting me do that. Oh, everyone, buy an MX5. Oh, workout.